Welcome everyone. So let's get right to it and see the price for Shiba Inu and the other altcoin, because right now there's a turning point. There's a big whale moving the price behind the scene. So let's get right to it and see the price before it explode for a lot of altcoin. First off, let's see Shiba Inu right now. It's pretty quick, and that we have the price is still accumulating and consolidating above this ascending line, and the price is about to jump from the resistance, the 04028. Let me just confirm that from our Lex Algo Premium to confirm if the price will jump. We add the indicator overlay here for the trend catcher and the trend tracer. So if we put both, and we can see when the indicator turning to green, we have a bullish momentum happening. Whenever two line red is mean we have a massive selling pressure coming in, and we get out before this massive dip. So right now we have two green line, which is the trend tracer and the trend catcher. So both of them are green, and this is show us there is a buying pressure, and we have to confirm with another thing, which is our support and resistance. Let me just take this off, and this is our margin of error, or to confirm that we're gonna see the price jump for Shiba Inu. And here when we test again the 0.4028 for Shiba Inu, we're gonna have the price test around the 0.4035. The next one we have SOL. This one is actually jumping pretty good and holding above the 105, and this one as well, we can see the trend catcher and the trend tracer is turning to green finally from the red that we have here before. And right now we have a buying pressure happening because we have holding perfect around the 105. 105 should be our support. If we hold it, we're gonna see the price test first around the 114, then 121. Let me go on Delta Exchange and open a trade for SOL right now and put market order just to show you. Let me put first, let me put the margin on isolated, and I put it on 2x, confirm. I put 100% what I own right now, and I put market order right now by long. Okay, market order by long, perfect. Let me buy right now. I bought. Let me go back down and try to put profit taken on stop loss 103.80, and for the trigger price for the profit taken, let me put it on 114. Set the price, and let me go back to our trade right now and see the other one. We have AAVE, and this one as well jumped, and we did a double bottom here around the 161, and right now we have a resistance around the 205. If we overcome it, we're gonna have the price test around the 288. Boss it and get up to 30,000 trading credit with my link in comment section below if you want to join to Delta Exchange. Let me go again here and see the other altcoin that we're gonna talk about, which is a zero, and this one is nice jump from the IPO price around the $1 and jumped almost 2,000% from beginning of this year. Right now the price should test around the $4 if we hold above the $2 here around the $2.50. We have a massive accumulation phase for a zero. We expected the price to go at least test for the $4 again. Next one we have let me just go to Bitcoin, because it's kind of the game changer and the big whale. Focus on Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin have a psychological level right now around the 39,000, and we're still holding after this massive jump that we did around the 47. We got rejected, and right now we have confirmed support around the 39,000. This is important support for Bitcoin and the other altcoin. For majority of altcoin, follow the Bitcoin behavior. There's an exception for the rule, of course, like zero is going up because we have IPO price just in this beginning of this year, and we have a speculation that the price will go higher. That's why the price go up. We have this one, I think, run as well. It have a nice jump and gap because we visited a long old support for it. So it depends. It depends on the altcoin. So few altcoin jump 100%, 40% despite the market condition right now. Even the market is a bit bearish. However, and like 90% of altcoin follow Bitcoin behavior. That's why we talk about Bitcoin regarding the support. If we hold the 39,600, is mean we kind of we gonna retest the 47 again, and we enter a pull run. Otherwise, we gonna see the price going in bearish momentum and go down near the 34,000, then the 29,000 for strongest support for Bitcoin. So as we said for Bitcoin and the other altcoin, the idea is right now there is a strategy. New altcoin jump because they have IBOs, we have a new project. Of course, they will jump to 1,000%, 1,000%. You have to be strategic about this. However, the game changer and the behavior and the trend for a lot of altcoin depend on Bitcoin right now. That's why we talked about this support. So have a strategy, get in, get out, have a profit. And if you want to invest, just think twice where you should buy around the support. Don't just buy around the resistance and get FOMO, because we know what's gonna happen for a lot of people who buy around the resistance. Then the price go down and panic and they sell. Just be strategic. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next update.